Today I'm gonna show you how to check your hard disk health. First go to your browser, then type in the search hard disk Sentinel. Open the first link, press download option. Now again press download option. Again click here to download the file. This file is already downloaded. Go to your download folder and go to the compressed edge sensitive extracted. Open the folder, open the setup. Setup is already installed. Open your hard disk Sentinel. Check your performance and health. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for every latest video update जानने के लिए.